What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing overview and kind of why I think that you should make this one of your first accessory purchases when you are considering a DSLR or mirrorless camera, or you already got one and you're looking to maybe make it a little easier to carry these around. This is the Peak Design. This is the Slide Lite. Basically what this is it's simple. It's a camera strap. Most cameras come with a cheaper one, but if you want to kind of make it easier to untouch, detach, put it back on there, I think this is a really good investment. We'll see how this goes. This is my first time shooting on the Canon R6, so we're a little tighter currently, mainly because I only have a 50mm lens. So we'll see. This runs about $50. It almost never goes on sale. I actually picked it up at Best Buy. I went with the light gray color. I prefer a little bit lighter color. They also have a darker, which is more of a black color. And I believe, I don't know if it has the weight on here, but I believe it will hold just about anything you want. Let's see if it has a weight on here, weight limit. It does not. Only weighs 3.7 ounces. It's guaranteed for life, so you do get a lifetime warranty. It doesn't say the weight on here, but it says it's for mirrorless or DSLR cameras, so I assume it would probably be 25 pounds at least. So you get a nice little packaging here. There's probably not going to be much actually in this box, but we will see. Sorry if the audio is messed up. I'm still playing around with this camera, trying to get everything kind of situated here. I previously was using a Sony a7R IV, which I really liked for video, but I did not like it for photo. Looks like you need to open this from the opposite end. So the other end's kind of glued shut, so you gotta open this from the bottom end. One thing I do like about Peak Design is they are a little bit more environmental friendly, so all this is plastic, or not plastic, cardboard, or some type of paper material that will decompose. And I really have started to enjoy most of the Peak Design stuff. I just find it's a little bit better built. Some of the stuff's expensive. I would love their travel tripod, but that is, again, fairly expensive. So you do get some accessories here. These have what they call quick detach. So basically you take these two, attach to your camera, and then it just hooks in with these little straps here. Hopefully it focuses on that instead of my face. And it's just easy to get on and off. Now the standard strap that comes with the cameras will surpass you for a little bit, but I still think this is, especially if you're traveling a lot with your camera, I do think this is one of the better investments out there, especially for the price point. $50 is not anything too outrageous in my eyes. And I've always had good luck with Peak Design. I don't know about any other brands out there. There may be a few cheaper ones, but Peak Design stuff is pretty well known for being pretty well built. Not really sure what that was on that, but like that. So there's almost no plastic in here. Actually, I don't think there is any plastic in here. And the one you get originally comes in plastic, which I know isn't that big of a deal, but I'll never use this. And if you throw the plastic away, it's not the best thing in the world for the environment. So you get a little carrying pouch. Except there's something else in here. Oh, register your product. Probably for the lifetime warranty, you probably have to register it. Little Allen wrench here. This is nice, but I don't think we actually need this. I believe most people will have this. I don't believe it's anything proprietary. It's just the standard Allen wrench. And then you get your, it says it's rated for over 200 plus pounds of force. So I don't know what that means, but 200 pounds of force. You'd have to have a pretty large camera or some type of equipment to do that. And this will attach to the bottom if you want to carry it around that way, which is probably how I will do it. I'm not sure yet. So here is the light one. If you actually look at the cheaper one, or not the cheaper one, the more expensive, the standard one is much bigger. So if you look at this here, this will not focus on me. It has a very, very nice feel to it. I do like the color of it. I like that it has these little teeny tiny blue, so you can focus on that. You have this blue little spot here, and these are your latches. This is metal, This part's plastic, but this does feel like an aluminum type material, just so you can move it around back and forth. And these are your quick detach. It's real simple. You just go like that, pops right out. So it's really easy to attach your camera and take it off without having to. The standard straps are a little bit more difficult. They're not super hard to do, but they are a little bit more difficult than I would like. So that's it. These almost never go on sale. They have been hard to find currently. It seems like everything right now is hard to find with COVID. Trying to get stuff in stock is difficult. Not really sure about the length of it, but it feels pretty long, pretty thick too. That's maybe one of the negatives, is that it does feel, this feels a little thick and a little, I don't know, hard to bend. Maybe a little softer material, but I assume they did that for some type of reliability. That way it'll last longer. It's a little thicker material. You do have this nice, probably won't be able to get this to focus on that, but you do have this nice little kind of sticky material here, kind of like a rubber material. So if you have it on your shoulder like this, it's probably not going to slide around. It should stay in place if you decided to do it that way. Overall, really happy with this. I've owned their bigger one before in the past, a while ago, and the big thing I didn't like about it was that it was too big, but I don't believe this one was around then, so we'll see how this goes. I'll get a more long-term review of this up as I use it, but spoiler, it's going to be good. These things are really good quality. I've had good luck with their stuff. Really like one of their messenger bags, but as you get into some of their other stuff, it gets more expensive. Their travel tripod's like $600, which is crazy, but people will swear by it and say it's really good. So that's it. Comments, questions, leave them below. If you like videos like this, give it a like. It helps out the channel without you having to contribute anything. I'll put the link below if you want to purchase this. I believe I got mine at Best Buy because it was out of stock on Amazon, but you can get it on Amazon from time to time. So that's it, guys. Hope you have a good rest of the day, weekend, whatever it is out there, and I'll see you guys next time.